Welcome to the Inferno with OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just open the app here and click Enable in Settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to activate, and just go back to the application. Here you should click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard here. And as can you see, our process is finished, and now we should go somewhere, for example into the app search, and here we can see the new look of our device keyboard. And as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all of these emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.